Okay, brain gym is a series of activities that work on left brain, right brain coordination. Now, when we say hyperactivity may be a matter of, like I said in the previous question, it is a matter of sensory, it is a matter of self regulation, it is a matter of executive functions, which is a part of cognitive functions, especially in ADHD. Now, brain gym can help when children are hyperactive, but they are still engaging with you, they are connecting with you. If at all they are connecting with you, you can help them to do physical activities which are more like an alternative. So instead of running, jumping and doing this, can I tell you something that you will imitate? I will do it, but you imitate. What that will do is it will definitely improve the child's current level, because you are working on right brain left brain coordination. However, before doing right brain left brain coordination activity, I would still suggest to do what we discussed in the in the answer of question 1, where we should first try to focus on hyperactivity as a matter of sensory and self regulation. First that, then you can do brain gym.